Hare Krishna, welcome to my channel Beginners Linux MS
Today I'm
Excel
going to
Guide.
talk about LEN function. Okay, it's a part of text series. The LEN function is categorized under Excel text functions. The function will return the length of a given text string. So as an example, I have taken Microsoft Word. So I have written total character is 13. Let's see what the result will come. If I write here equals length, then hit tab, give the cell reference, close the bracket, hit enter. It is coming 14. Why? Because the character is also included here, which is space here, and it is including as a character and it is counting as 14. So that's the reason I have written here count the number of characters in the cell along with the space. So space is also counted as a character over here. So if I make it less, suppose only Microsoft, I'm removing this word part. See, now it is coming 9. So if I count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, so till Microsoft is 9 characters, so it is giving only 9, no spaces here, so it's not counting that one. So that's all about your LEN function.
If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and don't forget to press the bell button so that whenever I post a new video over here, you'll get the notification of it immediately. Thank you so much for being with me till the end of the video with patience. Thank you so much for your love and support. Stick to my channel, new videos are coming into your way. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol.